In today's video, I'll teach you how to give 5-star ratings on apps in Play Store. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like games, apps and search. So what you have to do is simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is search for the application that you want to give 5-star ratings to. So tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in the name of the application over here. Now search for it. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application of your choice and tap on it. Keep in mind you must have installed the application in order to rate this app. Otherwise, you'll not be able to rate it. So in order to give the 5-star rating, simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for rate this app. You'll be able to see the 5 stars over here. In order to give the 5-star rating, what you have to do is simply tap on the last star that you can see on this interface. Now you can see over here you've given the 5-star rating. You can also describe your experience if you want. It is completely optional. After you're done, tap on the post option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your rating has been posted. So like this, you'll be able to give the 5-star ratings. So that is how you give 5-star ratings on apps in Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.